Which of these circles looks larger? If you answered this one, don't be surprised. Most people's eyes and brains will make it seem so. It's called the Delboeuf illusion, where our brains perceive sizes only in the context of nearby things. Both the black circles in this case are the exact same size. But what will surprise you is that it is this cognitive illusion that makes us eat more food than we need to. When a certain amount of food is served on a very large plate, our brains are wired to think that there is actually less food than there is. So we eat more. Likewise, when we eat from a small plate or bowl, we unconsciously think that there is more food than there actually is. So we eat less. This is why in a restaurant, a plate at the buffet is always smaller than the plate they give you for a la carte. They want you to eat less at the buffet and more a la carte. A related illusion is portion size. Studies have found that in parties, cutting a sandwich into 8 small pieces results in overall less consumption than if the sandwich was simply cut into 2. You can use this bit of behavior science to improve your eating habits. Smaller plates and cut your starters and desserts into smaller portions.